relieve any residual hydraulic pressure, toggle selector lever between squeeze, neutral, and release. Open needle valve fully counterclockwise. Remove steel dust caps and connect hoses to the tool. Make sure no orange is visible after connecting the fittings. Ensure lockdown bolts are not engaged in the bottom bar. Connect air supply. Toggle the lever, leaving it in the release position, and open the needle valve. Now you're ready to safely open the tool. Operate the pump until the tool is sufficiently open for the size of pipe you'll be squeezing. Pull pin from locking gate and swing open bottom bar. Move lever to squeeze position. Close clockwise, needle valve, finger tight only. Operate foot valve. Squeeze pipe, making sure you follow your company's steel squeeze-off procedures. Continue squeezing as far as required. Max pressure is 10,000 psi. When ready to remove tool, unthread lockdown bolts fully. Move lever from squeeze to neutral, pressure will drop in pump. Fully open the needle valve counterclockwise. Step on foot pedal to open the tool. Air regulator can adjust air pressure lower. Water separator drains as needed with bottom knurled drain. Inline oiler can be adjusted 4 drops per minute every 15 seconds. Regular tool oil can be used to refill as required. For cycling the pump, connect hoses together, making sure no orange is visible. Ensure needle valve is in fully open position counterclockwise. Select squeeze or release. Step on foot pedal to activate pump. Run pump for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Do this 3 or 4 times per year to ensure your pump air motor remains lubricated.